Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I'm getting ready because I need to go to the shops. So I'm going into B&M, we're just going to have a look around. Knowing me, I'll probably end up window shopping, but we'll see. So yeah, so that is literally what I'm about to do. And then I do need to go to the dentist, so I'm having a check up on my teeth. So definitely needs a good check. And yeah, that is literally what I'm doing today. So yeah, that is me all done. And now, do you know what guys, I'm absolutely loving turtlenecks. Like, since it's been cold, I've been wearing turtlenecks because I just feel like they really keep my neck nice and warm. So yeah, I'm actually loving my turtleneck right now, but I do need to go more clothes shopping soon. Today, so yeah, I'm all ready, put my makeup on, my hair, and now I am going to make a smoothie. So guys, I am making my go-to smoothie. So what I normally have is the raw organic meal replacement, which is by the Garden of Life. This is my go-to smoothie every morning. So this is literally what I have every single morning without fail. Or even if I do run out, I just have like some eggs and toast, but usually it is the smoothie powder. So I just put like a couple of these frozen bananas in the freezer. So what I do is just add just a couple of bananas, frozen bananas inside the smoothie. And then what I don't put, I use my almond milk, so unsweetened almonds. So I just put like a quarter amount in here. I actually go ahead and get my peanut butter, so I just put 2 scoops of this. So because I've used it that much, I do need to buy another one. So I do have to get another spoon for this because it sticks to the spoon. So after I've done that, I go ahead and add my smoothie pad. I'm nearly running out of this, guys. It's literally all I've got. Just pour amount of 2 scoops, or sometimes I add a little bit more. So powder's done, peanut butter, frozen banana. This is just an ordinary honey. I should be getting the raw organic one, but I've literally ran out, so this is just an extra honey. So just a couple of one in here. And then what else am I missing? Should be missing that. Oh yes, so this is my Garden of Life collagen powder, which is really good for my hair, skin and nails and muscles, so especially after a workout. So this is my also go-to. So yeah, I'll just get a couple, maybe just this much, sprinkle it in, and then that should be all ready to go. I just got this new blender, guys. Like, I'm absolutely loving it. Just look at the blue lights. I just think it's super nice because the other blender broke, so now I have my new blender. So yeah, then we just blend. Is done, I like to pour it in my nice new ribbed glass, and there I have it, my go-to chocolate smoothie. So yeah guys, this is my go-to in the morning. I'm absolutely loving this, and what I love about this powder, like, it literally has everything in here. You got your 20 grams of protein, you got 44 superfoods, really easy to digest. Like, literally guys, it has everything in here. It's got organic sprouted brown rice protein, organic kale, everything in here. So cheers. Very nice thick consistency, which I really love. So yeah, and then I usually go in and take my multivitamins. This is by Myvitamins. So I've been with these for some time now, so I'm absolutely really loving this. 250 soft gels, So yeah, that's about 250 soft gels of this. So this really does last quite some time. So then I just take one of my vitamins. And then I go in with my multivitamins. So that's usually what I have. I usually have my vitamin D spray, but I ran out of that too. I definitely do need to stock up. Because I have more left in here, I usually save it till like lunchtime and then I have it for my lunch. So yeah, this really lasts the whole day for me. But I usually have my lunch with sourdough toast and egg. I really hope you enjoy my little routine. So now I am about to head out and then I'll catch you guys later. So before heading out, I had to check a few emails and add things in my diary so I don't forget. So now I am in B&M and oh my god guys, the Easter is finally here. I cannot believe it's literally around the corner and I am loving all the cute Easter baskets and all the Easter kids crafts. I think they're super nice. I'm definitely going to get some soon. We are at the restaurant. I'm here with my mum right now. So we're just having lunch and yeah, it's a lovely day outside, so I'm just going to have some food. And we got him a little toy today, haven't we? Yeah, a little toy because he was in the shops and he could not stop looking at all his favourite toys, so that's literally what I got. I just got some sandwiches and my mum has got some coriander soup with bread. I'm having my mum's soup because this looks yummy. So yeah, so I just had some food. As you can see, the sun's shining. Lovely blue sky. Really nice sunshine. So you can actually see the nice sun popping through. Just gonna head back now and yeah, just relax after that. But yeah guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe because it'll definitely help my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.